Good morning.
Good morning. First thing, team time. Second thing, preparing for the barbecue with refugees. Third thing, the barbecue with refugees. Just, you know, having a, what are we having?
Coffee.
What kind of coffee though? Is it cheeky?
Oh, a cheeky coffee.
Yeah. Caffeine doesn't affect me because I have ADD.
Well, it just affects you in a different way.
So it does, but not in the traditional way.
Yeah.
I just get kind of sleepy. Fun fact.
Fun facts about ADD.
The more you know. The trash is back. Stirs up so many feelings of frustration. But like KT just reminded me what I said the other day. It's like God cleaning up our mess time after time. God really spoke about like what an act of redemption even picking that up is.
Yeah.
And an act towards like having his kingdom be here.
And restoration, like restoring it to how he designed it to be.
And like we're just having fun with Chuck, and like all of a sudden we're not like Muslims and Christians, or like we're just people, like, you know. So I think like that's the same expectation for like today. Like when you're having fun, you don't forget that you are different, like that you're Muslims and you're Christians, or that you're refugee, or that you're American, or you're, you know, different races, that you just come to the place where like we're people and we're having fun.
God is able, He will never fail.
Thank you for this time. I pray that you will bless our hands and our heads, our ideas, as we prepare the fun for this evening.
And it's like someone's literally got the trash from the bed and just gone. Like,
They did.
It everywhere.
They did, guys. Like, look what they did. They just literally took the garbage out of the garbage can. That's a laptop. What the heck? Like, what is this? What?
And they take the kids from the preschool to go and play in the pool.
Where there's garbage.
Where there's garbage.
Just don't get it. Baffles us, confounds us. Who's gonna help me with the piñata? You?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
With the,
I didn't really, like, it doesn't even have to be your party in it.
yeah, even just like making a big deal out of it.
Look at that. Dan the man. Full of surprises. It's freaking guacamole. Made by a Mexican. So does it get better? No. Go KT, the whole world's waiting on you.
I'm stressed. Update, what you just saw. We spent the morning making a piñata, which was very satisfying. I feel very accomplished. I'm proud of us. And now we're getting the train to go back to the refugee camp to meet everyone there. And I'm going to go to the park and have a picnic, barbecue, play some games, and just have a grand old time. Let's get on this train! Oh, I like this one! So retro, so and like blue, and just the train.
We're on the Bantry train today. Okay, it's really weird though, because it is sunny.
Yeah,
but I just heard thunder.
But over there it's very, very dark.
We got here in the nick of time because it's raining, like just downpouring right after we get inside.
It's beautiful. Rain is a beautiful thing. Like the drops of happiness from heaven.
I'm ready to do something. We're just following people. Don't know where we're going.
Funny though.
These guys are
So
hilarious.
funny. Yeah. No, Elliot.
And those here from Syria or other places, you're also very welcome. The songs okay?
The sargo başı.
Bye bye father.
Khudafez. Man raftem.
And then he went.
Raftش.
And he left a country far away. Every day.
هر روز
father, he was standing up here. He was looking to the window. Every morning, every night he was looking. Maybe my son is coming back. If you want Jesus to come into your life, you can raise your hand. Yeah. Yeah, you can lift your hand also if you want Jesus. Yeah. There's one hand there. Don't be afraid. Don't think about your neighbor. It's about you and God.
Is it piñata time?
Yeah, it's time for the emoji.
Jonah's crazy.
Oh shoot! I did not eat, so I will eat the wet candy off the ground. An innocent little time of games turned into a water fight. I'm attacked. Dude,
So fun.
I wrote that on my arm earlier.
What?
Rain brings reconciliation.
I really do think there is something with the rain.
Yeah, and
Like,
Jesus told
it brought
me
so
to
much
sing
joy.
it yesterday as well about letting him reign in like Stockholm and in this
so
place. So it's like so crazy how he links things up, but it was so fun. Like everyone dancing around together, and like there was just joy. There was so much joy.
We're calling it a night. Today was probably one of the funnest days of all of Outreach.
Yeah, for sure.
And tomorrow we have a day off, so we're gonna do a little bit of administrative work tomorrow and work on some secret stuff.
Well, I mean, they will have already seen it by now, but
Yeah, that's true.
it's okay.
Working on some admin stuff, but until then,
Love it.
love life.